Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy. And in this video series that I wanna show you how to publish a static website and digital version. So I'm gonna be using a free theme. So I'm gonna place this link in the description. You can also download this theme and also I'm going to be add a domain to my site also. I'm going to be register that domain from .tk. So .tk sites. You can register a free domains over here, and even you can buy a domains from the GoDaddy and all, but the process will be similar. It's very similar. So that's it. So first we're gonna be take this site. So copy this and so it was downloaded, and let's open the website first. So freelancer theme is an index page, and this is the website that we are publishing on Devo. And next couple of videos that I'll show you how to add in the server and how to set up a domain. And hope you guys like this video series, and please give me a like and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.